Hi, I'm Mike Tatongi, lead developer for the Verus project. Imagine a new world. Everything you value is safe and secure. Everything you do, see, say, and hear can be verified if you choose. Everyone you meet can present a verifiable reflection of the sum of their lifetime experiences. A society where your values, votes, and voice can be immutably expressed and secured by your community. All your data is verified, private, protected, and provable, enabling exchanges of self-evident truths. A society where equity of opportunity is available to all. Kindness can be exchanged without fear of fraud or humiliation. All exchanges can be certified, smart, and secure without the need to rely on costly intermediaries. Imagine a worldwide network as scalable and as accessible as today's internet, capable of processing financial transactions in dollars, euros, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all major currencies, even custom currencies or auto-rebalancing multi-currency baskets defined by any organization or individual. This network is not run by any single company or government. Instead, it's a network of independent networks, all connected by a strong cryptographic protocol that ensures all funds of all currencies are accounted for flawlessly, and by doing so enables anyone in the world to contribute to powering it while enhancing its security and take a reward for doing so. Not only can anyone participate in this network by helping it run, the network makes it easy for anyone worldwide to create new fractal subnetworks that are launched from the network and after launch are completely independent from, yet fully connected and interoperable with all other parts of the network. With each new community, country, company, or cause that creates its own subnetwork, the network of networks does not congest, but instead it gains the independent processing of a new subnetwork along with its additional scale and power. Imagine that all the network could be accessed and used by people, organizations, businesses, and governments easily, securely, and without any complex programming. You've probably already guessed that I'm not talking about Bitcoin, which is a decentralized tour de force, but only a single currency network. I'm also not talking about any near-term evolution of Ethereum or Ethereum-like networks, which are fundamentally single currency networks as well. Yes, I did just say that Ethereum is a single currency network. That may surprise some people, so let me explain. ETH is, in fact, the only currency that has provable accounting as part of Ethereum's blockchain protocol. It's only contracts, code, written, copied, and or modified by many separate devs and companies interacting on a simulated computer, the Ethereum virtual machine, all of which hopefully follow best practices and conventions that enable Ethereum to transact in currencies besides ETH itself. The issue is that these contracts define currencies and engage in currency transfers between users and each other without any network-wide protocol that verifies those transfers' correct accounting. All contracts may also expose arbitrary functions to other contracts while operating together in what is called a Turing-complete virtual machine, meaning they can effectively do anything or make any mistake that can be written into code. Defining, accounting for, and transacting in any currency besides ETH on the Ethereum blockchain, as all similar VM-based blockchains, is a matter of how multiple contracts interact, a black box operation to the protocol which cannot be verified by design. That architecture, invented by Ethereum years ago and now used by countless protocols, leads to other risks as well, such as multi-step approval and spend operations of non-native currencies, which are quite complex for users and can expose them to phishing scams that request permission to take assets under the guise of performing another action. This new form of phishing attack on users of the most popular centralized NFT marketplace recently took about $2 million from unsuspecting users, but total losses from contracts far exceed millions on a regular basis. Estimates of losses to hackers from these contracts, not including phishing, in just the last year range from 1.3 to over $10 billion, All of that on blockchain networks running a similar VM-based architecture as Ethereum. Perhaps it's time for a better design. Imagine a multi-blockchain network with a real multi-currency protocol that verifies all transactions in all currencies as securely as Bitcoin and Ethereum verify transactions that transfer BTC or ETH. The good news is that now you can do more than just imagine. The system I've described is fully functional today on the Verus testnet and being prepared by contributors across the community now for its imminent mainnet upgrade. All technologies are currently available for application development by those early adopters who understand the opportunities in leveraging a new disruptive paradigm. It's still officially a testnet, but is fully decentralized, functional, and accessible worldwide for launching test currencies, independent and connected blockchains, on-chain exchanges of currencies and contracts, and more. Verus itself is not a new cryptocurrency. In fact, it's an independent blockchain launched May 21st, 2018, with no ICO, no pre-allocation of funds, and no development fee or rent built into the protocol whatsoever. Verus is complete with both transparent and zero-knowledge privacy protocols and an ecologically efficient, provably 51% hash attack-resistant consensus protocol. It's an evolution of Nakamoto consensus that incorporates proof of stake as well, and the only blockchain with self-sovereign, revocable, recoverable, and interoperable addresses and identities built into the core protocol. Verus identities are supported across all transaction types, compatible with other provable ID technologies, and serve as a foundation for all currencies and blockchains on the network. Applications of the Verus network extend far beyond dApps of blockchain today. Any individual, project, organization, or community needing an easy-to-use, reliable, decentralized, rent-free currency, fundraising platform, voting network, automated accounting system, or self-sovereign, revocable, recoverable identities, and a governance model can connect to the Verus Internet of Value and get started with no programming required. Solutions that used to take weeks or longer to design and code with Solidity experts can now be done better, faster, and more securely, no programming needed. With Verus's multi-chain model, scale challenges of today can be naturally solved by scaling out as needed, whether requirements call for centralized corporate, open government, or fully decentralized applications. In addition to this new technology, disruptive even among modern blockchains, the open, community-driven genesis and approach enables Verus to be the first and only rent-free, decentralized financial network capable of hosting multiple independent, yet connected real-world economies with thousands of connected blockchains, millions of fungible currencies, and billions of users. Verus is an open protocol implemented in fully open source, designed to connect, interoperate with, and serve as either independent or augmenting infrastructure for existing or completely new and more scalable, provable, fair, and trustworthy systems than what we have anywhere today. You can download the free and open source Verus wallet from verus.io, connect to the public testnet, drop by the Discord for some free test currencies, and get started. Without any actual programming, just commands, you will be able to create revocable, recoverable identities that you can then use to launch currencies, blockchains, liquidity baskets, automatically bridged ERC20 Ethereum currencies, and multi-chain applications using all currencies available on Verus or Ethereum. I look forward to seeing you around the Verus community, and thank you for your time.